Hey, my ADHD friends, here's a little tip about how to better manage that blender in our brain because we're ADHD. There are two things to note. Number one, a lot of us are external processors, meaning that if we can take the Tinker Toys and all the gears in our head, drop them on a table and sort through them, we're better thinkers. We come up with our genius ideas and we can get clarity faster. So if tip number one is to get all the ideas out so you can sort through them, tip number two is to have somebody facilitating your thinking, because in neuroscience, we now know that there are neurons in our brain that will not fire and make those connections that we're trying to make unless someone's facilitating us. So have your friends, your mentors, your peers, your coach on speed dial and use them often, because when someone else is asking us questions or facilitating our thinking, we get smarter as we talk our way through it. I hope these two tips help all my ADHD friends.